Hi, I'm Mom. Welcome you to Momdas Life Handmade. Hope you all had a wonderful May. I had a grandly made May time. I'm happy to tell you that I have fulfilled my pledge of making 14 garments for myself, my kids and 2 refashions. I love refashion, I know you do too. And I made 6 videos on how I made my dresses and 2 refashions. Do check them. I'll put the link in the description box and on the cards above. I did not use any pattern from any sewing company or pattern company. I planned and drafted my own patterns and have made my own dresses. So I have made small printables which are available on my blog, which you can easily download and print and make your own patterns. So do visit my blog. I'll link it in the description box below again. So let's get started and see what all I sew in the May. Satin long dress with gathers in front and elastic at back. Please get free printable from my blog. Easy maxi dress in animal print cotton fabric. Watch my video and visit my blog for free printable. Patiala salwar or lowers in happy printed cotton fabric. Can be teamed with t-shirt or kurta in many different colors. I refashioned my hubby's formal shirt into my stylish top with puff sleeves and buttons at the back. Do watch my video. My son Atrit is sporting an informal half-sleeve shirt in biscuit color with coordinating printed fabric collar, pocket and button line. My daughter Arutrika in a summer fresh green and white printed frock or dress with contrasting dark pink belt and border balanced with pale pink lace. Watch my video to make this easy box sleeves top for any age or size. Visit my blog for free printable. I used a Manipuri sarong or wraparound to make my kurta or shift dress. I love the gold woven border. Download free printable from my blog and watch my video to make easiest gathered skirt for any age or size. I made this A-line kurta or shift dress with side slits embellished with matching pom-pom lace border. I am wearing it with my third creation Patiala salwar. Watch my video and get free printable at my blog for making this summer frock or dress. My 12th creation is another Patiala salwar or flared lowers in lightweight multicolor striped cotton fabric. I teamed it with a white t-shirt, but it can be worn with any color kurta. Another favorite frock or dress in cool blue or white cotton fabric with matching blue buttons and belts. My final piece, and enjoy this on my video. Years back, I had loved this smart shirt dress design from an expensive designer brand. This May, I pulled out one of my hubby's shirt and transformed it. Let me know which one of these 14 pieces is your favorite in the comment box below. Do subscribe and come back for many more DIYs.